Here is the red bead experiment. It's a shoebox size. This document covers both the red and the blue bead, and that it's a very lightweight kit. Now, if you take a look, you can see here, this is our quick start guide. So we've got some guidance on running the experiment, right? We talk about common cause, special cause variation. And so since this is 20% red beads, I would expect to get 10 every draw. If we think of these red beads as being defects, the light switch is broken. We have to jiggle the cord to make it work. You know, don't plug too many things in and out at the same time. I was trying to enhance the learning experience for my students, and I couldn't find one. It wasn't available. And so this really works pretty quickly. Another one of the things that I did, I developed the blue bead experiment. Because naturally in statistics, you need to be able to compare things, right? We developed the blue bead experiment, which nobody in the world has. It's very obvious that there's a difference between these. So I mentioned the red bead experiment has 20% red beads, but if you can see here on the left, we've got some box plots. The actual variability in performance, why some people are high and some people are low, it's because there's so many opportunities for red beads, or you said defects.
Talk about it till you're blue in the face, but when you actually do it with your own hands and you do the calculations and you really see the difference, it's like you say, it cements the learning.